A kú dédé àsìkò ìjáre ní gbogbo ibikíbi tàbá tuntun láǹfààní láti máa wo ìkànnì yìí. Benjamin Olúwaṣẹ́gun Olúwapamẹ́rin lórúkọ mi. Tó bá yẹ pé first time títí ní eléyìí tẹ́ máa darapọ̀ mọ́ ìkànnì lọ́fọ̀ọ̀sẹ̀ náà civil legacy ẹ bá subscribe sí ẹ̀wẹ̀gbẹ́ rẹ̀ ọ̀hún ẹ̀rọ máa kọ̀ọ̀kan níbẹ̀ tó lè bá máa pè ní notification bell ẹ bá wa tẹ̀ tán kọ́ yóò gbọ́sọ̀ mẹ́ta kan wá tí ń bẹ lókè òun kẹ́ mú option a lé àti lí tó lè bá máa pè ní option all nǹkan bá wa tẹ̀ bá ti tẹ̀ tán èèyàn dára ẹ̀ láǹfààní láti máa wo ìkànnì yìí ní gbogbo àtàwọn ìtọ́ bá ti jáde.
Good morning, fellow citizens of Nigeria. Governor Babajide Sanwo-Olu's daughter is missing. One of the legal constitutional children of Sanwo-Olu is missing. A young man just sent a message to my husband now that they should call my attention to it that Sanwo-Olu's daughter is missing. Now, I don't want trouble. And I don't want this matter to escalate more than this. I only need the cooperation of two people. Edo, you people will not see my trouble. I don't want any single trouble. The DPO of Gowon Police Station, Mosalashi Ipaja, and the principal of State Junior High School, Mosalashi Ipaja, Limosho, please, there is a 13-year-old girl in that school. The poor girl lost mother, her biological mother. So that means that in December 2025, and instead of the father to be mourning the loss of his dearest wife, the man started to have sexual intercourse. Ó bẹ̀rẹ̀ sí ní dó ọmọ ẹ̀. Ó dó ọmọ yẹn to the point that the girl is successfully pregnant. What a shameful act. A 13-year-old girl has been impregnated by her own biological father. And now, they took the girl, they have taken the girl to go and do about. Fellow citizens of Nigeria, please, we should understand that we owe these children a responsibility to protect. Now, you, the principal, and the families of the man, you people now conspire together, and the girl is nowhere to be found. I am giving you just 3 hours. One bidder. 3 hours, not 1 second less to produce that child. The fact that that girl is not even anywhere to be found is even mentally traumatizing. And you people are hiding it. You are conspiring together, a principal of a school, aiding and abetting such crime. And the child is nowhere to be found. Every single child is in custody of state governments. The governor of every state is the chief security officer. The lives of every citizen is the responsibility of the governor. And I am asking that where's Sanwo-Olu's daughter? You people should produce that girl by 12:30. Tomba Binida. Let me not receive a call that that girl has been handed over to Lagos State Child Protection Unit. I have called the Commissioner of Education. I have called all people involved. I am only giving you till 12:30. That girl must report. It's not. 13-year-old. 13. Minor. People are wicked. People are wicked. Biological father. You now have the effrontery to secretly want to go and do God Almighty. Where is this country turning into? Under our watch in Lagos State, under Lagos State watch, you have the audacity. DPO, produce the girl. Tell the husband, tell the father to produce the girl. If the girl does not report to your police station, let the girl report to Lagos State there in Alausa. Please, I will put the address on this post. I want to see the girl in either of those two places. Ciao, Bajabe.